Look, man, I only need to know one thing. Where they are.
Yes, the yellow card is out again. So that means one thing. Someone has sent me a gift. And this one is from Jason O'Toole, formerly from Texas, but now living back in his own country down under in Australia. So it's a big box, so let's get it out. I kind of know what it is. So here we go. BBTS. So that's a big bad toy store, and I kind of know, as I said, I do know what it is because we have had conversations about this last year, and just the fact that he sent it to me, I'm just mind blown. So it's not Star Wars, it's not Transformers, it's not Spectrum. So there's something else I kind of am passionate about. I'm not going to open it on screen. I'm just going to slide the box out and slide it back in with the contents. So thank you, Jason. Here we go. Let's slide it out. Right, here we go. There's a letter here. Tesmundo. Let's give it a little read. Okay. Oh, nice handwriting, Jay. G'day, Tez. You are a total legend, my friend. Am I? And I wanted to get you something super cool to enjoy as a thanks for all the friendship and smiles you give all of us in the community of ours. Cheers, mate. You're a good friend from down under. Jace. Are you ready, guys? Oh, let's get it in. Cut that. Get away from her, you bitch.
Get away from her, you bitch!
So this is the Queen Alien from Aliens, James Cameron's Aliens, and it's from Hiya Toys, from Big Bad Toy Store. Wow, let's have a little quick look at the box. Nice. So exclusive mini new standard setting series for 1.18 scale, featuring super articulation figures under Hiya Toys. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, from 20th Century Fox. So yeah, I'm a massive Aliens fan. I haven't got much merchandise as such. Let's crack it open. Oh wow, Jason. Wow. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, right. Oh my word. Oh my word. Right, so there's a little bit of instructions, not much, so I think I can manage this. Right, let's have a look, Jace. What I'm going to do, just to speed the video along a little bit, I'm just going to put it together off screen and bring it on again. Okay, she's out of the box. She's loose. She's rampaging onto the yellow card. Here she is. There we go. Took a while, Jace, to get all these on, but yeah, look at all that detail. It's got two different snapping jaws. So I've put the long one, extended one. I had to put all these back spines on. Oh, gorgeous. Articulation's really nice. She is a little bit top heavy, but she does come with a stand and a support, so you can display her very nicely. Yeah, she looks great. Proper movie accurate. You can imagine her running around Haley's Hope on LV4226. Brilliant. Oh, Jason, I didn't expect, I knew it was something alien, but to have a queen, it's just fantastic. Yeah, she's a big old girl, isn't she? Yeah, so this is 18th scale size, and yeah, because she's a big girl, she does need this support here. But Jace, this is fantastic, mate. The detail on it is lovely. The paint job, the dry brushing is really nice. Look at that. I'm going to photograph her like an alien supermodel. Yeah, she does come with a smaller mouthpiece, but I'm going to keep that one in because she looks more menacing. Yeah, gorgeous. You can imagine getting the that will be on my list next, to get a Ripley's power loader, that you could get some great poses. Setting up the fight scene, blasting her out into space. I wonder if the Queen Alien's still floating around in space above the planet. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I had to attach these. Had to be very careful, and the mouthpiece as well. But yeah, I'm going to get some nice poses on this. Fantastic. Had to assemble this base. It went together quite easily. So that's like the flooring from the colony. Just very nicely accurate, that is. And like all good royalty, she's got a nice pair of high heels on. Look at that. I suppose now she's a Disney princess, Disney queen, so to say, isn't it? Really nice. This is going to look lovely on my shelf, and it's going to photograph amazingly as well. Really good. Whoa, I feel like watching Aliens now. Wow. Look at those teeth. Imagine those chasing you down the corridor. The crown as well is really nicely painted. Look at that. Jason, you're a star, mate. So well made. Paintwork on that is gorgeous. It's got that sort of like electric 80s blue sheen to it. Yeah, so thanks, Jason. There was something else. I'm just going to take her away. This goes with my Motu trap jaw that I got off John Baldry for Christmas. Got a Lego trapdoor, a Lego trap jaw, not trapdoor. Yeah, so thanks for putting that in, Jay. He'll go on my little shelf with my other Lego figures. And because Jason is a in the Air Force, he's given me this gorgeous badge. Look at that. Thanks, mate. That's proper, real weight to that one. Do you think I could get away with pretending to be a pilot if I have this in my wallet? Thanks, Jace. Absolutely fantastic, dude. I don't expect anything from anybody in this community. It's just so nice to get some physical toys at the moment to get me away from my Spectrum videos. But no, I really appreciate this, Jace. I've known you now nearly 3 years, and our community is the best toy community out there. I think we're all sort of mates for life, really, aren't we?
Stop your grinning and drop your linen.
she is going to look fantastic on the shelf. There we go, look. Gorgeous on you. I think I'm in love. She's absolutely lovely, and terrifying at the same time. Yeah, unbelievable, mate. Thanks for the other gifts as well. I will treasure them forever, mate.
Get away from her, you bitch! Get away from her, you bitch!
Where's the phone? Where's the phone? The dog is gone! Get the fuck out of here! That's it, man. Game over, man. Game over. What the fuck are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do?